Question 12. The male cockroach differs from the female by having, the correct answer to this first is the pair of stars. Now, some past question you might see the option D picked. No, a pair of sessile, which is option D, is possessed by both the male and the female cockroach. Okay, but for the male cockroach, it has a pair of stars. So number 12 is option B. 13. The crayfish is an arthropod because first I would like to make mention types of arthropods here. Please note, arthropods include crustaceans. Examples of crustaceans are crab, shrimps, crayfish, lobsters. Okay, arthropods also include insects. Examples of insects are mosquito, grasshopper. Arthropods also include arachnids. Examples of arachnids are spider, scorpion, mite, and ticks, and also myrapods, which include centipede and millipede. So we'll go back to our question. They say the crayfish is an arthropod because 13 is option D. Its body is covered with an exoskeleton made of chitin. Its body is covered with an exoskeleton made of chitin. 13 is option D. 14. In the life history of a butterfly, destruction of crop is caused by caterpillar. Okay, in the life history of a butterfly, destruction of crop is caused by caterpillar, and also caterpillar also helps in terms of pollination of the plant. So it's not a butterfly actually. The adult insect, which is the complete butterfly, helps in terms of pollination, while the early stage of the butterfly, which is there's an early stage of butterfly, which is the caterpillar stage, it actually destroys crops. 15. Insects and millipedes, do not forget they are both arthropods, have many features in common except now listen, insects have a pair of compound eyes, okay, and some of them might have addition of simple eyes, okay, but millipedes have just simple or compound eyes or none at all. So number 15 is option C, compound eyes. Insects and millipede may have many features in common except option C, compound eyes. 16. Which of the following is a common characteristics of crustaceans? Do not forget, crustaceans comprises crab, prawns, shrimps, crayfish, lobster, water fleas, wood lice, and barnacles. So back to our question. Which of the following is a common characteristics of this crustacean? Now, I would like to list out a couple of characteristics of crustacean. The first one, you know that for crustaceans, the gaseous exchange is by the gills. If you jot down, it will be of help to you. Second, their appendages are often modified for swimming. Okay, so they have stuff like their forearms and limbs are modified for swimming. Now, their body is divided into cephalothorax and abdomen, and also crustaceans are most times aquatic, and lastly they also possess two pairs of antennas. Now back to our question, which of the following is a common characteristics of crustaceans? Correct answer here is option B, they possess two pairs of antenna. I made mention of it just now while I was mentioning characteristics of crustaceans. 17. The pedipalpi, remember we talked about arachnid, and we said members of the arachnids are spider, scorpion, ticks, and mite. And we say they lack what? We say the arachnids, they have no antenna, but they have pairs of pedipalpis for grasping. So let's go back to our question. The pedipalpi in spider are used for, you could see it, option A, grasping. Now, after going through this clip, if you've been able to craft a note down, I would like you to snap and send that note. And also, if you have a question, you could drop your question in the comment section or on the WhatsApp group. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.